Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get API key in Shopify. So simply how to do this, just we have to click on apps, and after this just click on the setting. So now here we will click on develop app. You can find the option here, just click on develop app and now click on create an app. So now here type the name API key. Simply after when you type the name, just you have to click on create app and wait for a few seconds. Our app is being created. So here you can finally check our app is finally created. So now click on this option. After this you have to select all the options if you want to do one by one. Now click on APIs and details, and here when you click this, so here you can find API keys. In this way you can easily get API key in Shopify.